thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, this is a quick video guys, I'm going to show you how I made this glamorous, gorgeous perfume tray for my mother. She asked me to make this and so I said let me do this for her. She has it already and she absolutely loves it. So she can use it for many things. She can use it for perfume, she can use it to hold candles, she can use it for whatever she likes. Very quickly I'm going to tell you what I use. I'm going to use these crystal feet that I picked up from a hardware store that was going out of business. I'm going to use that glass dish. I got that from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the flowered mesh. I picked that up from Amazon. I'm going to use my scissors. I'm going to use that E6000 that I got from Michaels and my thread snippers which I got from Michaels maybe. I'm going to use that wooden stick to help me line up the feet on my crystal tray or my glass tray. I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm also going to be using my silicone fingers. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is clean off the glass tray with a little bit of alcohol and a paper towel. My mother kept asking me, are you going to post the video? Are you going to post a video about my tray? And I said, yeah, I would. So right here, guys, I'm going to use this bling mesh wrap. And I decided right now that I was going to use this. I didn't say it in the beginning of the video because it wasn't in my mind to use this. But I am going to use it. I'm going to cut off just one single strip so that I can wrap it around the perimeter so that it can have a finished look. So right now I'm going to finish applying the flowered gem mesh around the perimeter of the tray. I've already started, as you can see, and I just want to give you a close-up so that you can see what the edge looks like. Came out really nice. And so I'm just going to finish just applying that flowered mesh. So guys, right now I'm going to use the Gorilla Glue to apply the crystal feet to the perfume tray. And I used a little bit of the Gorilla Glue plus a little bit of the hot glue, which I really didn't need. And just to be honest guys, I did pry this foot off, cleaned out all the hot glue and reapplied it with just Gorilla Glue because really this glue works really well. It doesn't need help from any other glue. So the next thing I'm going to do guys, I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to start applying these crystal gems to the flower mesh just to give it a finished crystallized pretty look. So I just have to finish putting those in guys, and by the time I was doing this the phone kept ringing, I was taking the calls, so I missed a couple of the flowered mesh places, so I'm going back in just making sure I have everything filled in so that it doesn't have any missing pieces. And here it is guys, all done. I just have to clean off the threads. I'm going to use some glass cleaner on it and now I'm going to show you what it looks like in natural lighting. And guys, this came out absolutely gorgeous with all the interruptions on the phone and the mailman coming. This came out so beautiful. Look how lovely this looks with different kinds of perfume bottles. It looks absolutely stunning. And my mother, she loves this. She absolutely loves hers. And so I'm going to show you what it looks like with candles on it. You can, if you want to recreate this, you definitely can use candles on yours. I might get her some battery operated candles because she doesn't burn candles. But anyway, this is what it looks like at night. Just absolutely gorgeous. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. As always, stay blessed and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.